Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried rice, perfect to accompany your Manchurian dish. We'll go step by step, ensuring a fantastic result. First, gather all your ingredients, including cooked rice, your favorite vegetables, and essential sauces. It's crucial to use cold, day-old rice for that ideal texture. Also, make sure to chop all your vegetables finely, as this helps them cook quickly and evenly. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large wok or a deep pan over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your finely chopped garlic and ginger. Sauté these aromatics for approximately 30 seconds, just until they become wonderfully fragrant. Next, introduce your prepared vegetables, such as carrots, peas, and bell peppers. Stir-fry them for a few minutes until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. With your vegetables perfectly cooked, it's time to add the star of the show, the rice. Carefully add the cold, cooked rice to the wok, using your spatula to break up any clumps. Next, pour in about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of vinegar for that authentic flavor. You can also add a pinch of white pepper. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring every grain of rice is evenly coated with the sauces and vegetables. Continue to stir-fry the rice for another 2 to 3 minutes. This ensures it's heated through and develops that lovely, slightly crispy texture. Before serving, garnish your fried rice with some freshly chopped spring onions. These add a wonderful fresh flavor and a pop of color. Your delicious homemade fried rice is now ready to be served hot, making the perfect accompaniment to your flavorful Manchurian dish. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.